Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome to another fantastic workout session with me, your online fitness and nutrition coach, Mohammed Asfar. Today, we're diving into an exercise that's going to challenge your strength, balance, and stability, the Bosu single-arm split squat. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through every step of the way. Bosu basics. First things first, let's familiarize ourselves with the Bosu Ball. It's this nifty fitness tool with a half dome on one side and a flat platform on the other. We'll be using the dome side up for our split squats today. Getting into position. Now, stand tall in front of the Bosu Ball, feet hip-width apart. Grab a dumbbell in one hand and let it hang down at your side. Get ready to feel the burn. The split squat. Here's where the magic happens. Step back with your opposite leg, gently placing the top of your foot on the dome of the Bosu Ball behind you. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and core engaged. Find your balance. Balancing on the Bosu can be tricky at first, but that's what makes this exercise so effective. Take your time to stabilize yourself and find your balance. Trust me, it gets easier with practice. Executing the squat. With your foot securely on the Bosu, lower your body into a squat, aiming to get your knee as close to the ground as possible without touching it. Keep your back straight, and make sure your front knee doesn't extend past your toes. The power of the glutes. As you rise back up, feel the power coming from your glutes and quads. This exercise is fantastic for building lower body strength and toning those leg muscles. The core connection. Don't forget about your core. It's working hard to keep you stable on the Bosu. Engage those abs throughout the entire movement. The finishing touch. Once you've mastered your reps on one side, switch to the other to maintain balance and symmetry in your workout. Trust me, your body will thank you later. Wrapping it up. There you have it, folks. You've just conquered the Bosu single-arm split squat, an incredible exercise to enhance your strength and balance. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and watch your fitness level soar. Remember, I'm here to support your fitness journey every step of the way. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting workouts and fitness tips. Until next time, keep sweating and smiling.
Absolutely ready to unlock your athletic potential and perform at your best? Try BioSteel, the trusted sports nutrition drink for elite athletes. Get a huge 25% off on all BioSteel products for a limited time. BioSteel isn't just a drink, it's your ultimate performance partner. Experience enhanced hydration, energy, and rapid recovery. Whether you're a pro athlete or a fitness enthusiast, BioSteel helps you reach your peak performance. Claim your exclusive 25% discount on all BioSteel products by clicking the link in our profile. Elevate your game with BioSteel, the champion's choice. Don't wait. Click the link in our profile now and unleash your true potential with BioSteel. Looking for more delicious recipes to elevate your culinary skills? Explore a treasure trove of mouth-watering recipes available on Etsy. From savory dishes to sweet treats, there's something for every palate. To discover these culinary gems, simply click the link on our profile, unleash your inner chef, and create culinary masterpieces in your own kitchen with Etsy's amazing collection of recipes. Don't miss out on the opportunity to impress your taste buds and loved ones. Visit our profile now and start cooking up a storm with Etsy's fantastic recipes.